Have you ever dreamed of turning your passion into profit? Imagine running a successful online store without the hassle of managing inventory. But how do you navigate the world of dropshipping and turn your side hustle into a real business? This video explores the top dropshipping tips for beginners. We'll show you how to find profitable niches, source reliable suppliers, and skyrocket your sales. Stay tuned. Dropshipping is a business model that allows entrepreneurs to sell products online without holding inventory. Instead of stocking products, sellers partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipment directly to customers. This model reduces upfront costs and operational complexities, making it an attractive option for beginners looking to start a side hustle. As a dropshipper, you act as the intermediary between the customer and the supplier, focusing on marketing, sales, and customer service. This flexibility means you can operate from anywhere with an internet connection, leveraging various e-commerce platforms and tools to set up and manage your store efficiently. Understanding dropshipping fundamentals is crucial for anyone new to e-commerce, as it forms the foundation for building a profitable online business. Choosing your niche. Choosing your niche is crucial for success in dropshipping. Begin by brainstorming interests, passions, and areas where you have some knowledge or expertise. Conduct market research using tools like Google Trends, Amazon bestsellers, or social media platforms to identify trending products and consumer interests. Narrow down your options based on profitability and competition levels. Look for niches with enough demand to generate sales but not overly saturated. Validate your niche by analyzing keywords and search volume to ensure consistent interest over time. Finally, consider your target audience's demographics, preferences, and purchasing behavior to align your product selection with their needs. By following these steps, you'll be equipped to choose a niche that interests you and can potentially turn your dropshipping venture into a profitable side hustle. Setting up your dropshipping store. To set up your dropshipping store, choose a platform that suits your needs, such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce. Sign up for an account and follow the platform's setup wizard to create your store. Customize your store's theme and layout to reflect your brand and appeal to your target audience. Next, integrate tools like payment gateways, e.g., PayPal, Stripe, and dropshipping apps, e.g., Oberlo, AliExpress dropshipping, to streamline order processing and product management. Upload high-quality product photos and write compelling descriptions highlighting key features and benefits. Test your store's functionality by placing sample orders to ensure everything operates smoothly. Finally, optimize your store for mobile devices to cater to a broader audience and ensure a seamless shopping experience across all devices. Setting up your dropshipping store. Platforms and tools. Setting up your dropshipping store involves selecting the right platforms and tools to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Firstly, choose a reliable e-commerce platform such as Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, which offers user-friendly interfaces and integration with dropshipping apps. Next, sign up for a payment gateway like PayPal or Stripe to securely process transactions. Customize your store's design with a professional theme that reflects your brand identity and enhances user experience. Utilize dropshipping apps or plugins from your chosen platform to easily import products from suppliers and automate order fulfillment. Ensure your store is mobile responsive and optimized for SEO to attract organic traffic. Finally, test your store thoroughly before launch to fix any issues and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Setting up your dropshipping store with these steps will lay a solid foundation for your side hustle to thrive. Supplier selection. How to find reliable suppliers. When starting a dropshipping business, choosing reliable suppliers is crucial to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Research potential suppliers through online directories like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Salehoo, which list verified suppliers with reviews and ratings. Evaluate suppliers based on product quality, shipping times, and responsiveness to inquiries. Contact suppliers to compare pricing, shipping costs, and policies regarding returns and refunds. It is essential to establish clear communication channels and understand their dropshipping terms, including any fees or minimum order requirements. Aim to build a relationship with your chosen suppliers to foster long-term reliability and ensure they can effectively meet your business's demands. Product research strategies. Identifying winning products. Product research strategies. Identifying winning products begins with understanding your target market's needs and preferences. Start by exploring trending products on e-commerce platforms like Amazon, AliExpress, or eBay. Look for items with high demand but relatively low competition to maximize your chances of success. Next, use tools like Google Trends, keyword research tools, and social media analytics to validate your chosen product's market interest and potential longevity. Narrow your selection to items that fit your niche and align with your brand identity. Lastly, analyze product reviews and customer feedback to ensure the quality and reliability of your suppliers. This thorough approach will help you discover profitable products that appeal to your target audience and set a solid foundation for your dropshipping business. Optimizing your website for conversions. Design and user experience. Optimizing your website for conversions is crucial to maximize sales in dropshipping. Start by ensuring a clean and user-friendly design that reflects your brand and makes navigation intuitive. Use high-quality product images and compelling descriptions to showcase your offerings effectively. Implement clear calls to action, CTAs, on each product page and throughout the checkout process to guide customers towards purchasing. Incorporate trust signals such as customer reviews, security badges, and guarantees to build credibility and alleviate concerns. Additionally, it streamlines the checkout process to minimize friction, offering multiple payment options and a guest checkout option to accommodate various preferences. Regularly test and optimize your website's performance using analytics tools to identify and address any barriers to conversion, ensuring a seamless and enjoyable shopping experience for your customers. Marketing your dropshipping business. Strategies to drive traffic. Marketing your dropshipping business is crucial for driving traffic and generating sales. Start optimizing your website for SEO, search engine optimization, to attract organic traffic from search engines. Next, leverage social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest to engage with potential customers through compelling content and targeted ads. Utilize influencer marketing by collaborating with influencers in your niche to reach their followers authentically. Additionally, email marketing remains effective. Build an email list and send personalized offers and updates to your subscribers. Lastly, consider paid advertising on platforms like Google Ads or Facebook Ads to scale your reach and visibility quickly. By implementing these strategies systematically, you can effectively market your dropshipping business and attract a steady stream of potential customers. Financial management, pricing, profit margins, and budgeting. Managing orders and customer service in dropshipping requires careful attention to detail to ensure smooth operations and customer satisfaction. Firstly, integrate your online store with a reliable order management system that automatically syncs orders with your suppliers. This helps streamline the process and reduces errors. Secondly, communicate clearly with your suppliers to confirm orders promptly and monitor shipping statuses to keep customers informed. Thirdly, prioritize responsive customer service by promptly answering inquiries, addressing concerns, and resolving issues swiftly. Use automation tools like chatbots or email templates for efficient communication. Finally, clear returns, refunds, and exchange policies should be established to manage customer expectations and maintain trust. By focusing on these steps, you can effectively manage orders and customer service in your dropshipping business, fostering positive experiences that encourage repeat purchases and referrals. That's all for turning your side hustle into a profitable dropshipping business today. If you're ready to take the plunge, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content that will help you crush your entrepreneurial goals.